Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader and expert. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD. As we all know, there is a constant selling pressure on Euro USD and still it is not over yet. We can easily see that market is still under the heavy influence of sellers. Euro USD is standing at 1.1242 level. And this is the main reason I have been requesting every one of you to exit from the market if you had any buy position. And this was the main reason I have been telling repeatedly to exit from your positions, because market was under the heavy influence of sellers. Though we can see a small double bottom kind of a pattern here, but considering the trend of the market, it is very unreliable. Yes, there may be some upside from this particular level, considering it is a minor double bottom pattern, but considering the overall trend of the market, it is very unreliable. If you are a beginner new trader, then you should avoid this kind of double bottom patterns, because selling pressure is extremely high and fundamentally also things are not very well. Today we have initial jobless claims after 7 hours, almost after 8 hours, so market will be volatile again. The chart of DXY will be volatile again, so please be very careful, okay, because DXY is extremely bullish for the last couple of days and you can see dollar is still very bullish. So if the data is good, if DXY starts going up again, definitely Euro USD will feel the pressure and Euro USD will be going down. But on the other hand, if the data is somewhat negative and US dollar DXY starts going down, then we may see some recovery on the chart of Euro USD. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well, because DXY's movement will be very crucial for Euro USD. And for the chart of Euro USD, things are quite simple, because this is a seller's market and the best strategy is sell on rise. First of all, this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So if market goes up, then definitely market will be facing some kind of selling pressure from above at this trend line, and if it reverses, you can take a small sell position. Why small sell position? Because this is a temporary support for the market right now. Yes, you can see that this is a temporary support for the market. So if it reverses for the trend line only, if you want to go for scalping and all for 10 pips profit, 15 pips profit, then you can go you can take the trade. But if you are looking for a bigger trade, then this opportunity is not for you. And if market breaks the level, then market will be facing another resistance at 1.1300 level. So if market reverses from the level of 1.1300 level, that can be a safe trading opportunity for you. Just make sure that when you are taking a sell position on Euro USD, DXY is not going down, because that can be a very critical for you. Okay, so if market reverses from the level of 1.1300, that can be a good sell level. And if market reverses from a trend line, it depends on you. If you want to go for 10 pips profit, 15 pips profit, you can go for it. But if you're looking for bigger profit, avoid it, because we have a very small side here. And on the other hand, okay, if market breaks the level of 1.1228, this temporary support, if market breaks the level of 1.1228, and if you see fresh selling in the market, yes, if you see fresh selling in the market, it means that if you see a big red candle breaking the level and going down, then you can also take a sell position, because that will be a fresh series of selling on the chart of Euro USD. And if dollar starts going up after the event, then definitely we will see fresh selling on the market. So be very careful, and new traders, beginners, and those traders who have very less capital right now, please avoid trading during the news, because the market gets extremely volatile and you may wipe out your whole capital if you are not aware of risk management. And whatever it is, my dear friends, please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. So do not risk your whole capital. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 83% retail traders are still on the long side and only 16% are on the selling side. So if you consider this data, then yes, we still have a downside for Euro USD, because generally we see that market always move against the sentiment meter. So this is the Pro Trader program, my dear friends, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. I also share 1 or 2 live signals each and every day. Apart from being a signal service, I do many things. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website avilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information what we do in the Pro Trader group. Okay. So if you're interested, visit the Pro Trader group once and download the samples. Okay, you'll see what I share in the group. Bye bye, take care. See ya tomorrow.